Assalamu alaikum, good morning. I hope you all will be fit and fine. Welcome to Learning Studio with Sajida Ali. Today we are going to learn a very interesting letter, that is letter Z. What we are going to learn? Letter Z. And are you ready to learn the sound of letter Z? Okay, come on, you have to do actions with me. Did you ever hear a bee buzz, a bee buzz? Did you ever hear a bee buzz? Zzz, like this. So what's the sound of Z? Zzz. Letter Z. Let's try to write the letter Z. I'm going to write from the skyline, sleeping line, slanting line, and again sleeping line. Uppercase Z. And again sleeping line, slanting line, and sleeping line. Uppercase Z and lowercase z. We write uppercase on first three lines and lowercase on middle two lines. So let's learn the things which have Z sound in them. Here you can see it's a zip. Have you ever seen the zip in your dresses? Yes, this is zip, 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 zip. And this is a very cute animal. Yes, this is zebra, zebra. Say it again with me, zebra. And it has black and white strips on its body. Okay, here you can see it's a zoo. And have you ever gone to the zoo? Yes, and you can see so many animals at the zoo, like lion, tiger, and panda, monkey, giraffe, zebra. So many animals we can see at the zoo. Zoo, zoo. So what's this? Say it again. Zoo. And here, can you guess what's this? It's a donut, and you can say it's looking like a zero. Zero. Let's make it with the fingers. How to make zero? Like this. Come on, try it. Zero. Okay. And what is this? This is zombie. I know that you all watch zombie cartoons. Zombie. I am very scared of zombies. And here you can see it's a zigzag. Zigzag. What's this? Zigzag. You can make it with your fingers. Zigzag. Zigzag. Come on, try it again. Zigzag. Zigzag. So these all things have sound in them. Let's repeat one more time. Zip. Zebra. Zoo. Zero. Zombie. Zigzag. Zigzag. So we have learned letter Z. And the sound of letter Z. Did you ever hear a bee buzz? A bee buzz. Did you ever hear a bee buzz? Zzz, like this. So what's the sound? Zzz. Do you want to try to write it in the ear? Come on, raise up your two fingers. Make a sleeping line, slanting line, and sleeping line. This is letter Z. I hope you enjoyed today's session, and thank you so much.